Have you ever wondered why Radha and Krishna, the symbol of eternal love, never got married? Was it destiny or was it something far deeper, something divine? In today's video, we will cover the real spiritual truth behind the separation, a truth that will change the way you understand love forever. Welcome to Sakhi Haripriya. Let's begin this divine journey. In the beautiful land of Vrindavan, where every breeze carried devotion, Radha and Krishna shared a bond that was beyond human understanding. Their love was not ordinary, it was not based on possession, expectation, or worldly attachments. It was selfless, eternal, and divine. When Krishna played his flute, Radha didn't just hear music, she felt his soul calling her. And when Radha looked at Krishna, she didn't see a person, she saw the entire universe. But one day, everything changed. Krishna had a purpose, a divine mission. He had to leave Vrindavan and go to Mathura, and that meant leaving Radha behind. No promises were made, no vows were taken, just silence and deep understanding. Radha didn't stop him. Krishna didn't ask her to come because their love was not about staying together physically. It was about something far greater. Now comes the question, why didn't they marry? The answer lies in spirituality. Marriage is a worldly bond, but Radha and Krishna's love was beyond the world. If they had married, their story would have become just another relationship. But by staying apart, their love became eternal, limitless, and divine. Radha represents the soul, Atma. Krishna represents the supreme, Paramatma. And their separation represents the longing of the soul for God. That longing, that pain, is what makes devotion so powerful. Because sometimes distance doesn't weaken love, it means it infinite. The world sees separation, but devotees see union. Even when Krishna left, Radha was never alone because Krishna lived within her heart and Radha lived within Krishna's forever. This teaches us something beautiful. True love is not about holding someone, it's about becoming one with them, even in distance. So, next time someone asks why Radha and Krishna never married, tell them their love was too pure to be limited by marriage. It was not meant for the world, it was meant to teach the world what true love really is. If you feel this divine story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sakhi Haripriya. We will meet in next video. Till then, Radhe Radhe.